Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this regard that I'm providing civil justice for myself and the multitasking is the wisdom. With that said, I will quickly read through the civil justice so that we all can be on the same page. When there is never prostitute, Pope Francis created child marriage law, never law for Swiss Guard rifles drugs law, never law for native Indian tribes, never activated 18th law and injusticeful and provided injusticeful second amendment law in USA, 27 amendments chart, and 1 minute divorce closure sign off in Las Vegas, Sin City, created by Pope Francis, and prostitute Queen Elizabeth II of London, England, Britain created Q's words, signed healthiest by Department of Health Services of USA in all 50 states. How? That means the Q's words in the Oxford University created Oxford Dictionary, right? So that's a crime. That's a crime created by Queen Elizabeth II. So how Department of Health Services signed poison ex parte Holocaust Nazism mandate divorcial process in other states of USA in past 500 years, 2019, 2020, 2021, and why prostitute Pope Francis, France leader, and Sicily Archbishop, co-princes of Andorra, gave Vatican abuse law of handbook to USA, and USA 50 states lawmakers, criminal judges, Supreme Court judges, civil Supreme Court judges, criminal lawyers, civil lawyers, Republic or Democrat Senate, GOP, Congress, House of Representatives, mayors, governors, presidents, vice presidents provided ex parte tax fraud crime, and year is already 2021. Did education fail humanity, or did humanity fail education? I, Vedapriya Prose, proved root cause for any or all of USA government errors, and I want civil justice in Holy Bible guidelines only. So, civil justice as of April 3rd of 2021 is Antichrist Pope Francis must resign now, and I, Vedapriya Prose, must be the Vatican leader now. 46th President lawyer Democrat Joe Biden of USA must resign now, and I, native Indian tribe, true owner of USA, must be the interim leader of USA now. At fault and found guilty of crimes of Vatican, Department of Children Family Agency in all 50 states of USA must be sealed and shut down in next 1 second for classified human endangerment and tax fraud crime, and I alone can bail out Department of Children Families Agency of USA. Nobody can. So USA must pay tax-free $1,500,000 trillion to IM in next 1 second, and state of Wisconsin must pay tax-free $500 billion to IM, and USA DCF, Department of Children Family Agencies, per state times 50 states is $2,500 billion to IM. Tax-free $2,500 billion to IM. So I, Vedapriya Prose, proved Medicaid, Medicare of USA in all 50 states is wrong, and it is crime of at fault found guilty of USA. So USA must pay me salary of at least tax-free $1 trillion for I displayed the Medicaid, Medicare errors for 500 years of scandal, then 2000 scandal, then 2020 scandal, then 2021 scandal of Department of Health Services to USA. Now, what is the homework assignment for you all? Do you all know for your birthrights when there is a Q's words in Oxford University of London, Britain? Oh, that's a spelling mistake, please ignore it. For the Britain, England, and in education curriculum by Antichrist, prostitutes, God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, and Roman Catholic Jesuits, Vatican leader Pope Francis, and Department of Health Services to destroy human operating system as per absolute monarchs abuse law, USA nation. DCF in all 50 states in the USA must never have ex parte Holocaust Nazism hell law created by Vatican, and it is crime. So are you all aware of it for your basic birthrights? Yes or no? Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.